What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin today. We actually have some big movement going on inside Dogecoin. And there's a lot of predictions about Dogecoin rising 70%, even 150%. So a lot of people are predicting huge rises, huge increases with Dogecoin coming in the near future. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. I'm definitely backed up on a lot of these videos, but I'm going to get to them eventually. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, let's go right over this. So as you can see, 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 80%. That means in the last 24 hours, we've been bullish by 80% here. Now, over here, you can see inside the oscillator, when we did rise up on this, you can see from this bullish area here, leading from negative buying volume to a positive trading volume. But over here on the oscillator, you can see we were a little bit overbought, which is why we're taking a little bit of a dip right here, but it's just a small dip. And over here, these green areas are pretty much showing lots of demand for Dogecoin, and the red area is showing small amounts for Dogecoin. So what we can see with the demand here, though, is that right under here, right under this red candlestick, is a green supply and demand area, meaning that we're probably going to go on another uptrend here, possibly leading us up to 28 cents from here. So this also shows down here we have heavy support here around 25 cents. So if we were to take a dip in Dogecoin, we more than likely wouldn't go below 25 cents because there's a lot of demand there for 25-cent Dogecoin. So it definitely seems like we're about to come up here to this next resistance area of Dogecoin, this 28.50 area. That's going to be a huge barrier for Dogecoin. Once we break that, we're just going to go crazy all the way up to 34 cents. That's our next major resistance pretty much. But let's go over the Dogecoin technical analysis. So Dogecoin price analysis. The price is near the support. Will the bulls be able to make comeback with the MACD showing buy signals? So over here, you can see the 50 MA, which is pretty much the moving average, the 50 moving average below the 100 moving average, and the MACD tells sell signals pretty much. So this is the long-term view that they're saying. They're saying in the daily chart time interval, we can see the bears are taking control of the price and driving it down pretty much. So although the price is near the support, now we can see the bulls are also putting pressure on the bears. That's why we're seeing over here 80% bullish inside of the last 24 hours with Dogecoin. So that's definitely good news there. Over here, they say, let's look at the technical analysis to see if the price will sustain on the support of the bears, will break it. So first we can see the MACD, which shows the red histograms, which means the MACD line has crossed the signal line and started showing red histograms pretty much down here in this area here. So let's keep going over this. Over here, you can see a bearish signal is showing, but in addition to that, we can see the RSI is in the neutral zone near 49. So also the RSI line points sideways, which means the bulls and bears are giving each other a good fight. So lastly, we can see the moving average as the 20 MA is above the 100 MA, as you can see here with the moving averages. So also the 20 moving average is above the 50 moving average, but the 50 moving average is below the 100 moving average, which is a bearish sign pretty much is what they're saying. Now, I would say that's definitely a short-term bearish sign because like we always have inside crypto, we always have huge jump, like huge rise in price action. Then we consolidate, but we don't go below where we were previously. So you can definitely see what we had for support here previously with Dogecoin was somewhere around this area here of 24 cents, 23 cents. Dogecoin did not want to go below it. And over here, you can see there was more consolidation around here around 22 cents, and we haven't went that low. So pretty much when you see this consolidation happen, we usually don't go below this previous support of the previous bull run. So after that, we're probably going to see another rise going inside Dogecoin up to 30 cents and then so on. But anyways, let's keep going over this. So short-term view. In the 4-hour time interval, we can see the 20 moving average acting as a resistance. So, which means the price cannot break the 20 MA. The MACD also shows red histograms as the MACD is the line is below the signal line pretty much, but the MACD line is very close to the signal, and they may cross soon depending on the volume. So in addition to that, we can see the RSI, which is in the neutral zone of 46, and the RSI line is pointing toward the overbought zone of 70. And like I was showing over here on the oscillator, you can see that it's actually overbought here with Dogecoin. So even though we are going on a price rise here, we're a little bit overbought, which is probably going to cause us to trickle a little bit down to this, this support line. But if we don't do that, then we could break resistance. Let's keep moving on with this though. So as you can see over here, the RSI at the neutral zone of the 46 area, we already went over that. But pretty much lastly, we can see the moving average as the 20 MA has crossed the 100 MA, which is a sign of bearish signs pretty much. And the 50 MA is also bearish, as I say. But we do see some resistance at 27.69 and at 28.88. So they're saying short-term bearish, but I say short-term could be bearish, but I would say long-term bullish. So anyways, support at 24 cents to 22 cents. Looking at both long-term and short-term, we can see the price is near the support and may bounce back if the bulls can keep the pressure on the bears. That's the most important thing we got to know about, because as long as the bulls are continuing to buying, as long as there's a lot of money flowing into Dogecoin, we're going to be bullish. So we definitely got to keep applying pressure to the bears pretty much. But anyways, the support could bounce back if the bulls keep pressure on the bears, as we can see the RSI pointing towards the overbought zone of 70 cents. Also, the MACD line is very close to the signal line, so they can cross soon, which will be a buy signal for the bulls. So once these lines cross, then we'll see a buy signal coming in, and then we're more than likely start to come up here on an uptrend with Dogecoin. So that's pretty much what we got here for the technical analysis with Dogecoin. Now, beyond the technical analysis, you can definitely see over here, Dogecoin's price is, it's been stagnant for a while. Let's be completely honest. The last 30 days, stagnant. We've been going up and down, but we're still near the same area that we were before. Same with the last 90 days. But the whales are continuing to put more money into Dogecoin. So this is the top Dogecoin wallet. This is the number one, literally the number one Dogecoin whale wallet. So what we have to know about the number one Dogecoin whale wallet is down here. They just now sold, well, not just now, on the 1st of this month, they sold $26.9 million. Doesn't seem like much, but you can see over here, $2 billion were purchased of Dogecoin on the 29th of October. $2 billion. So all of this $26 million sold right there does not mean anything. On the 28th of last month, $63 million, $14 million. None of this matters. This is millions of dollars, but none of it matters because of that $2 billion purchase of Dogecoin that they have. Why would they buy $2 billion worth of Dogecoin? Why back here 288 million? Why all these different millions and millions of dollars of Dogecoin? More importantly, why $2 billion? I will tell you why they bought $2 billion of Dogecoin on the October 29th. It's because they see, along with the analysts, that we're about to go bullish with Dogecoin. Look, I'm going to explain something here. So whenever you see whales like this buying in, billionaires, they have financial advisors. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But billionaires have analysts. They have analysts looking at this stuff all day long. They don't just put $2 billion in here just to let it do whatever it does. In total, they have $8.4 billion. But they see when Dogecoin hits $1, they're not going to only have $8.4 billion. They're going to have $31.1 billion. And that's billion, not million. So it's very significant. So they're definitely seeing the potential with Dogecoin. And that's why a lot of these whales are doubling down on Dogecoin. So over here, you can see this whale, came in for a little bit of day trades. You got these whales doing petty day trades, 110 million, 110.9 million to 112 million all in one day. So they made $2 million. They're probably about to go buy a mansion with that. But yeah, a lot of these Dogecoin whales are definitely seeing the potential here with Dogecoin. Just like this Dogecoin whale came in 28 million, left with 28.5 million, all in the same day. So the whales are definitely doubling down here with Dogecoin. But remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Not telling anyone to go dump all their money in Dogecoin. But this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I just wanted to show you that Dogecoin's price right now is looking bullish, but it is also looking bearish. I know people are going to say, I just want one answer. I just want one. I just want you to tell me what to do. I can't tell you what to do. But what I can tell you is that right now, Dogecoin in the short term price action could trickle down to the support line. But after that, it's going to be straight bullish to the moon. Because why I say this is because of consolidation. You got to let it do what it does. Dogecoin lags in nature. We have this literally, like, analysts have said this. Everyone sees Dogecoin's price. You've seen how Dogecoin has been stagnant for the last 90 days. It lags literally. The whole crypto market can be going crazy, but Dogecoin will be left behind. And then when the whole crypto market is going down, Dogecoin is going to the moon. So that pretty much is how it works. But we just gotta wait for it, because the second we pass that major resistance of 34 cents is when we start to have huge rise in price action. So we just gotta pass that major resistance at 34 cents. But anyways, remember though, I'm not a financial advisor, done this financial advice. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to help to support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And also, if you want automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.